What if your music didn't just sound better, but felt alive? Introducing the Sennheiser HDB 630, where precision engineering meets pure artistry. Crafted for those who hear the world differently. Every curve, every contour speaks of refinement. The HDB 630 inherits the minimalist silhouette of Sennheiser's Momentum 4, elevated with Japanese protein leatherette cushions, soft, breathable, and made for all-day immersion. Its robust frame balances strength and elegance, turning premium sound into wearable comfort. At its heart, a pair of 42mm drivers, meticulously tuned to deliver studio-grade clarity. Deep, textured bass, vivid mids, sparkling highs. Each note unfolds with the natural warmth and precision that only Sennheiser can deliver. And with the Smart Control Plus app, you're in command. A parametric equalizer lets you sculpt sound frequencies your way, from cinematic lows to crystalline treble. You can even blend left and right channels or share your EQ presets with friends. The world outside? Silenced. Adaptive active noise cancellation continuously adjusts to your surroundings, keeping distractions out and focus in. Need to hear what's happening around you? Activate transparency mode, and external sound flows in naturally as if the headphones disappeared. Whether wired or wireless, connection is effortless. Plug in via 3.5mm or USB-C, or go fully wireless with Bluetooth 5.2. Each pair includes Sennheiser's BDT-700 USB-C transmitter, unlocking aptX adaptive audio for ultra-low latency and pristine 24-bit 96 kHz playback. Gaming, streaming, or mixing, every sound stays in perfect sync. Power that keeps up with you. 60 hours of continuous playback on a single charge. And when you're in a rush, just 10 minutes of charging gives you up to 7 hours of music. Because silence should never interrupt your rhythm. The Sennheiser HDB 630, a symphony of technology and design crafted for true audiophiles. Available for pre-order starting October 8th and shipping October 21st, 2025 for $499.95. For those who don't just listen, but live the sound.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.